In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your microphone settings on your ASUS laptop, traditional desktop computer, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel here. And then on the right side, select sound. And then going underneath input, you can expand the drop down to see all of your connected microphone input devices. Select whatever one you want to modify the settings for, and then you can adjust them through here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.